In this spotlight, we will be discussing the communication data types. The communication data types represent a record of the transmission, receipt, or acknowledgement of information sent from patient to provider, from provider to patient, or from provider to provider. A communication record may contain information regarding what information was communicated, when the record was created, or possibly an indication as to why the information was not communicated. For example, a communication from provider to provider may be consultative advice or active medications. This has been a QDM spotlight on the communication data types. For more information, please read the QDM specification available on the ECQI Resource Center.